Today is the 30th of June 2022. We have Scandic Fotel Foresta on Lidingö Island, Stockholm, Sweden. Capacity 3 persons of 255 grams weight. It was modernized with Kone fixtures in early 2001.
Yeah.
In the same part where they have the two deltas from early 2001 also.
Mm.
The yellow version and the early 1999 deltas in the main part.
Yeah.
We have just filmed all of them, but this one is locked off for the staff only here.
Yeah.
From early 2001 also. This one has two sides, beautiful one. With 5 floors here, from the 5th floor.
Yeah.
But it's used also like for passengers,
Yeah.
or guests. Oh.
Ah.
Try again. Well, 5 floor back again.
Yeah. Oh no.
Leveling speed.
Yeah.
That was my mistake, I'm sorry for that.
Yeah.
I was standing too close to the doors.
Yeah.
Let's not be too close to them.
Yeah.
On that side, but then take 2 sides.
Mm.
It's in the older part of the hotel,
Yeah.
but the early 1999 part is new built.
Yeah.
From early 99, 98, 99. This is also the small elevator that TripAdvisor was saying in the review, I remember.
Expected by Sylvia, maintained by Kone.
And then I'll show you the 6th floor, it's on this side. Wow!
So.
It's my bag.
Yeah.
Stupid bag. But it went down.
Yeah.
That's good, that's alright.
Yeah.
And you know, this is Scandic Sweden and Stockholm, and still without the doors in Gotham.
Yeah.
2022 still.
Yeah.
It's perfect.
Mm. I can understand why they are complaining about the smallness of this one.
It's cozy.
Yeah. It's.
But too bad we don't know everything about it, like all the information.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, but it probably was, maybe it was replaced in the 1960s.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just need to read about the history of
Yeah.
it. We might find out.
Yeah. It would be needless to replace this with generic one because it would be as small as it's now. So
It would be even smaller with the doors.
Yeah, that's true. That's it.
Thank you very much for watching.